Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have come to a destination which has become more popular and everyone awaits to see such a game zone. Let's get into this game zone and see all the pricing, what are the games available, what is the card recharge price mainly. So, there is a scheme of card recharge. How will you get in? What is the registration? There is a lot of process inside involved. Further in this video, let's see all of that. Next to this game zone only, there is one badminton court, swimming pool, as well as football court. Anyone interested in these games also can get to this place and play. That is right in Koramangala, right next to Loco. As we get inside the Loco Bear, the arrangement is really huge. There are a lot of games available at a single destination. So, being the weekend as well as Christmas holidays, there was a lot of rush inside. But being weekdays or something else, there might be lesser rush comparatively this season. Let's enter and see. They were all Christmas ready. They had some decorations of Christmas, other Christmas tree was set up, and also there is one more thing extra in this. That is, they have a separate birthday parties also available organizing here. Regarding that details and stuff, I'll upload a new video on that. Separate details on party details. Regarding that, what is the party food menu and is there inclusion of games or how is that everything? Can you take your cake? What is the arrangements? All of that separately let's discuss, and anyone is having any doubts regarding anything can comment in the comment box below. So on the point of this video, let's see the card details and what is the pricing inside. As we get in, we can see that the card starts only at 2500 rupees. They have GST cuttings. After that GST cuttings, the card minimum recharge is 2200 rupees. Even if you are going to pay for one game, whatever it is, card is must for everything. So minimum 2500 rupees of card recharge is necessary for us to get inside this game zone and play any of the games. So coming from that, if you go for 6000 rupees is the next plan. So in the card balance, you'll get 5750. If you go for 10,000 rupees, then you'll get exact 10,000 rupees in your card. If you're going for 15,000, you'll get 1,000 extra and you get 16,000 in your card. If you're going for 25,000 in your card, then you get 27,500. If you're going for 50,000 in your card, you will get 57,500 in your card. Depending on your group size, what are you going to, you can choose the card details. So after you choose the card, which game costs how much, we'll separately upload videos in our channel.